Guys, welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of the missing emojis on the iPhone keyboard. You might have noticed that the emoji icon on your keyboard for iPhone is not there and just disappeared. I'm going to show you a fix that we can do today to hopefully correct that situation. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is go ahead and open the settings icon or gear icon on our iPhone device. Once we do that, the second step is to go ahead and go down to General, tap on General, and then we're going to go to the option for Keyboard. Once we tap on Keyboard, we're going to see at the top, it should show keyboards and then a number next to it. The first one is just going to be the default keyboard for your country of origin, but there should be an emoji keyboard showing here. And if there is, you're going to simply slide to the left and delete that. If you don't see it, then we're going to go ahead and add it. So tap on the add new keyboard function and then go ahead and search for emoji. And once you do that, you're going to see this pop up here, emoji. Tap on emoji and it should now be added. So now if we go ahead and go back to our text, we should see the emoji icon here in the bottom corner, and we should see all our favorite emojis to add to text. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys, and if so, feel free to give me a like. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day. Take care.